Hey everyone, it's Holly. In this video, I'm going to be doing a tour of a standard room at the Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. I recently stayed there. I was not only super impressed with the resort itself, but the standard room I had, I thought was really nice. As far as which part of the resort I stayed was in the Casitas, which in my opinion was a great location. I really did like the area at first. I thought it was going to be too far from everything, but honestly, I was really close to the bus stop and it was a nice, quiet area. Upon first arriving, this is what the room looked like, and you can see it is a typical standard room with 2 queen-size beds. And one thing I noticed right away is that it had a ceiling fan. Definitely a great feature. You have here 2 queen-size beds. I felt that the beds were comfortable. On each side of the beds, there was plenty of outlets. This is something I definitely appreciate when I stay places. USB plugs, great to have for charging devices. And then for each side of the beds, there was these reading lamps. So nice having these reading lamps. Great for just reading before bed. And also I utilized it if I got up in the middle of the night and just needed a little bit of light to make my way to the bathroom. Then the other light controls are right there for the upper head lighting and the ceiling fan. Of course, you have a little bit of Disney art on the walls here. There is a telephone as well as a drawer built into the nightstand. And then going around to the other side, this room obviously had an adjoining room. Over at the desk area, right above is a screen TV. As well, they have the Hey Disney device that you can utilize. I definitely used it for an alarm clock, playing music, and checking the weather. The whole desk area is great, really nice desk lamp, and then of course more outlets and USB plugs. On the far end of the desk is the coffee maker. I am a coffee drinker. I definitely appreciated having this Keurig with plenty of options for regular and decaf coffee, as well as some tea options. I felt that everything was well stocked, plenty of cups with lids to take on the go. There is also an ice bucket. And then down below was the refrigerator. Next to that was 3 drawers, which I found helpful to keep all my stuff organized. Then a soft leather chair at the desk, and then a comfortable chair in the corner that swivels. The window had blackout curtains and then a thinner curtain just to have privacy but let some light in. And this is the view that I had out my window. It was again a great location that I was assigned to. And then back in the room here, we'll head on over to the closet area. You can see inside there were plenty of hangers, a hair dryer, a stand for putting your suitcase on, an ironing board, an iron plus steamer, as well as extra pillows and blankets up top. And then there was this huge full-length mirror. I appreciate full-length mirrors when I stay in hotels, and this room had 2 of them. One as well built onto the door over here, then a garbage can / recycling bin in the corner. Now getting into the bathroom. As you can see, the doors are a sliding barn door that connect together with a lock. The bathroom was not only spacious, but very clean, and I appreciated that a whole lot. Anytime a hotel bathroom is clean, that is a plus. The bathroom had a lot of good lighting. As you could see, there is a light all around the mirror, and then there was an adjustable magnifying makeup mirror that also lit up. I thought was such a great bonus to have in the bathroom. Then there was all these toiletries in the bathroom, mouthwash, hand lotion, shower cap, bar of soap. There was plenty of washcloths and hand towels down below. On the opposite side, extra bath towels, and then something I love in a hotel bathroom, and that is plenty of hooks, because you always need to hang things. Now, along with that, I found this feature to be really nice to have, and that is a pull-out clothesline. Anytime you stay in a hotel, it is great to have places to hang wet things because when you go swimming, you want to hang those bathing suits up to dry. I personally thought this clothesline was pretty cool. The bathtub shower combo, as you could see, had a lot of handrails, but I'm not complaining because again, it's more places to hang wet things. I found this whole bathtub to be super clean, which I really did appreciate because I'm a bath taker. I want a nice clean bathtub when I stay at a hotel. The shower head was also great. It's one of those ones with a hose. There was also a supply of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And then over by the toilet, very oddly, was the safe. I'm not sure why they decided to put it in the bathroom. I guess they found it was the best location for it, but love having a good working safe when I stay in hotel rooms. Well, that is my tour of a standard room at the Disney's Coronado Springs Resort. If you enjoyed this video or got any value out of it, please hit the like button. I appreciate you watching and may you have a beautiful day.